Oh, have you guys ever done a yo-yo? Yo-yo? I love to answer the phone like that.
Yeah,
Yo-yo.
you do. When we
Only
talk yo-yos, it is yo-yo,
yo-yo.
but you got to get the
Yo-yo.
yo-yo.
So we're going to teach you how to do yo-yos. They are so much fun. And this right here doesn't turn me on,
But we have some things that will.
yeah. So
That we're not
there
going to
are
show you yet.
there are two parts to the yo-yo. This is what they call the disc, and what is this called? The outside. I'm trying to remember what they called it. Disc place cloth on the disc plate. This is the disc plate. Okay. All right. To make a yo-yo like this size, you need a piece of fabric that is larger, larger than. Oh my gosh! I'm so sorry. Than the circle. You can also tell that there is a lip on here. I hope you can see it. There's a lip. And so what we're going to do is we're going to set that down first, then your fabric. Make sure I get this right. Okay, and then on here, you see these lines? That is going to help us line it up. I hope I'm doing this right, Barb. I always have
Those
troubles.
lines have to be lined up. I just made them, remember?
Because if they don't line up, your thread won't go through. Did it go all the way in? I have troubles. We all know I have issues. Right, Barb? Oh, Chris, I'm sorry if this isn't going right. If I got that in the right way.
It has to snap if you've got it in there
It's
right.
snapping.
Oh, then you're
Okay,
good.
I got it. All right, so here we are. It's in here.
So you have your fabric facing this direction.
Yes. I've started it out like this, but this is the top. So now, if I want to do a yo-yo, that's a lot of fabric to put underneath there and try and keep track of, and it'll make a big mess. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut just a little bit out from this.
Oh, they do work.
They do work, kind of. Yeah, so I'm cutting out, probably cutting a little bit bigger than I need to. I probably should go in further. But I'm always a little bit unsure of myself. Oh, I'm not a very even cutter. Don't look at my cutting skills. Okay.
You didn't pass that in kindergarten.
They're like, no, I'm left-handed too, and with right-handed scissors. So, okay, it doesn't really matter. It's the same. Okay. All right, so I cut some of the excess off, but I wanted to leave a little bit. See, isn't that a pretty circle?
It is nice.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just hold that under, and I'm going to start right here, right next to one of the
posts.
Posts,
Whatever.
yes. Yeah, I wanted to say pokey out things, but I'm going to start from underneath, and see underneath. You see these little things right here, these little divots? Those line up, supposedly, if I can get it started. If I get it started, then I'm doing better. Oh, nope. See? I got it off just a little bit. So all you have to do...
So that makes a difference, doesn't it?
It does make a difference. There, it snapped
that just
much
snapped
better.
Right in nicely.
That snapped much better. So if you don't have it just right, it won't snap. There we go. Do you see that? I got my needle right up in there. Easy, because it's going in that little divot. So I'm going to come up. Hopefully and see, I've had that folded over like that. Then I'm going to come down on that crescent. Come down.
Do you have to have your thread doubled, or is it
no,
singles
it
good
said
enough?
Single. But I just wouldn't pull it too tight. You see how it goes on there? And then it'll make sure it goes underneath. So if I did it from here to there on the top, I wouldn't be able to get this off.
I thought that was fun and interesting.
You thought that was fun and interesting?
Yeah.
So then I'm going to keep this in the back, holding that down. So it's not going to be in my way. I'm going to go back down. I'm going to go a little bit quicker. But I just get that underneath. Keep going and make sure that I'm catching that fabric. I got a little short there. Hopefully I'm doing it right. You tell me, Barb, okay?
You are. You're doing great.
All right. Then I'm coming up and down. It's all there is to this. You can make a zillion yo-yos while you're mindlessly watching or listening to something else.
Or some people can drive in a car. I can't.
You can't drive. You can sit in a car.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You can't drive.
Can't drive and do it. You can sit and do it. You can be the passenger. Yeah, not a good idea. Remember I told you I was a professional? They taught us don't do this and drive. Okay, but I'm still catching that fabric underneath there. I'm going fast. You see how fast I am, Barb?
Good thing you don't have that giant one you're going through.
Good thing. Yeah, that's why you cut some of that fabric off, because it just makes a mess. And I haven't poked myself yet. Okay, I'm going all the way around.
I don't teach a class without bleeding somewhere.
Don't you?
I do.
Ooh.
Whether it's my pins, but mostly my pins, they poke me and then I'm bleeding.
Oh, God. I hate when I'm quilting a quilt and I run into a pin. And then you have to stop until you stop bleeding.
Well, Nicole is known to carry Band-Aids.
Band-Aids.
She's the filmer. She'll bring
Okay,
Band-Aids.
see, I had that tangled in that extra fabric. I don't want that, so I make sure I get it out of there. See, I can teach you all the things not to do. Okay, so here we are. I think I'm back.
Do you overlap at all, or do you just
You just overlap once. I was reading the instructions. Where am I at?
That's the nice part, too, is it comes with these wonderful instructions. Everyone will come with this.
Yep.
Very detailed, so there's really no question how to do it.
No. And just know that your disc has to snap in. And you won't be able to get the needle through all the way if you haven't got it lined up right. So you can't really make a mistake. Well, I could, but you probably won't.
I lost my Yahtzee game. Come on.
Okay. All right. So here I am.
All
so
right,
I've
now
gone
what are you
all
gonna do?
the way around, and you see I've caught that on the outsides of that.
It really doesn't look like you caught it, though.
No, it doesn't look like much. So I'm going to push this in. That comes out. See,
You've caught it all the way around.
Caught it all the way around. I'm going to loosen it up just a little bit so I can get this out. If I did it wrong, I wouldn't be able to get that out. You'd be like, oh, man, I'll start over. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start gathering, and I'm easing it around. You could, lots of times I think, oh, I'm just going to do a running stitch all the way around my circle.
It's not really a circle when you do that.
No. And then this also folds it in so you don't have any raw edges. That's the great thing about this.
So what size is this one?
It's a no-brainer.
Do you know?
This is 1 3/4.
So is it the large?
I want to say.
It is the large.
It's a large. Yep, grande. Okay, so here we are. So I've just gathered it a little bit. I haven't undone my needle yet because I still need to take a stitch. That's off just a little bit. I don't want it to look like that.
Yeah,
so I'm just going to squish it over. Yep, get it towards the middle. I'm going to work with it a little bit if I think I need to. And now I'm going to, you can either make a knot in here, because you can have it on your project like this, or you can have it
most of the time you're going to see
this.
It with the cute stuff up.
Sometimes you don't, though. Oh, none of these are. Oh. Okay, you can also put a button on these, on top of these. So I'm gonna make a knot, and then I'm gonna go through it. This is the way I do it. Maybe it's not the right way. So I'm just gonna hold that, and I'm going all the way through to the back.
That's what I would do.
Is it? Okay, good. Well, I want to do what Barb does. So that is my yo-yo.
That is your yo-yo.
Yo-yo. So that is, see this size? Goes down to that.
But it actually shows you right on the package the size it's going to be.
Actual size. So that's kind of nice to see.